by the Army Chief and is highly committed to improving the quality of education. Unjani was established with the merging of colleges managed by the Kartika Ekapatsi Foundation. Unjani, the College of Economics, General Unjani, the Mathematics College, and the Bandung Industrial Technology College. General Ahmad Yani University, or Unjani for short, has continuously strived to improve the quality of education for various vocations at the undergraduate, postgraduate, and professional levels. The university offers 42 study programs in 10 faculties, namely the Faculty of Engineering, the Faculty of Science and Information, the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, the Faculty of Medicine, the Faculty of Psychology, the Faculty of Manufacturing Technology, the Faculty of Dentistry, Unjani, as a smart military university, is dedicated to progress and innovation using communication technology-based hybrid learning methods and by implementing a digital transformation, adapting to the present and future needs and challenges in the field of education.
Hello, good morning to all participants. Just a quick reminder that our meeting is about to begin. So please get prepared of yourself, uh, ready with virtual background. Also, you can download it. Thank you. Good morning to all participants. We are going to start our general lecture today. So, to all participants, welcome to today's online guest lecture organized by the Faculty of Economics and Business, Jenderal Ahmad Yani University. I'm Eka Septiarini, and I'll be your host for this exciting session. Before we begin, let me remind you to ensure that your microphones are mute during the lecture to avoid any interruptions. And feel free to use the chat function to post your questions during the session, and I would address them during the question and answer segment. Without further ado, let's start our event. And to begin, we would like to extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, Dean and Vice Dean of FEB Unjani, Head of Management and Accounting Department, lecturers and faculty members, students, and of course, our guest speaker today, Dr. Masran Tamin, who has joined us from Malaysia. Now let's move on to the welcome remarks. I'd like to invite the Dean of the Faculty of Economics and Business, General Ahmad Yani University, Dr. Muhammad Franz Romi, SAMM MIP CHRA, to deliver the opening remarks. Please welcome Dr. Muhammad Franz Romi, SAMM MIP CHRA.
Okay, thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning,
Waalaikumsalam
everyone.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we begin our study in general lecture, let's pray together Ummul Quran for our brother and sister in Malaysia, in Palestine. Al-Fatihah. Finish. Okay. Distinguished guest, Dr. Masran Tamin from University Malaysia Sabah, respected faculty member. Hello, good morning, Dr. Masran.
Yes, good morning, Doctor.
Morning, Dr. Masran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, Dr. Masran. Oke. Yang saya hormati, yang berbahagia, Timbalan Dekan 1, Mayor Academy, Timbalan Dekan 2, Finance and Human Resource, lalu Wakil Dekan 3, Mayor Student and Partnership Affairs, para Ketua Prodi, para Sekretaris Prodi, para dosen dan tenaga kependidikan, dan para mahasiswa yang telah hadir dalam kegiatan Studium General Lecture ini. I am pleased to welcome you all to this general lecture organized by Faculty Economic and Business, General Ahmad Yani University. Today we are honored to have Dr. Masran Tamin with us to speak on a very important topic, artificial intelligence. Yes, ChatGPT ya sering digunakan di para mahasiswa kita gitu ya. Nah, sekarang kita berbagi pandangannya yaitu di dunia bisnis dan terutama perilaku konsumen di dalamnya ya. Di mana tema Studium General hari ini yaitu artificial intelligence and this impact on business and consumer behavior. Ya. Okay, AI is changing the way business operate and how consumer make decision. It's crucial for us and then as future leaders to understand this technology and how it will affect the world of business. Dr. Tamin's expertise will help us gain valuable insight to the opportunities and challenge AI brings ya. Jadi jangan ragu-ragu nanti untuk bertanya kepada Dr. Tamin berkaitan dengan AI karena AI sekarang banyak sekali digunakan terutama untuk pembuatan karya tulis ilmiah dan yang lainnya gitu ya. Nah ini mohon nanti peserta bisa bertanya secara langsung nanti agar kita mendapatkan banyak pengalaman terkait dengan penggunaan AI ini ya. Baik, I encourage to all to listen closely, ask question and engage in today's session. I hope this lecture inspires new ideas and discussion for everyone. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama ini mungkin saya tutup dengan pantun dulu ya Pak ya. Oke, I'm close with pantun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Semoga Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis semakin maju dan terdepan. Okay, thank you for joining us. I wish you a productive and inspiring lecture. Bila tipu hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, Dr. Muhammad Franz Romi, SAMM MIT CHRA, for the insightful and motivating words. To all participants, before we officially start, let's capture this moment with a group photo session. So everyone, could you please turn on your camera if possible? Our photo session will be led by Ibu Ferbi. Please, Ibu Ferbi.
Oke, thank you Ibu Eka. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Before we start the group photo session, please turn your camera on first, and I'll give you a minute to maybe want to refix your position or remake your camera or maybe brush your hair first. Okay. Okay, let's see how many slides we have. Okay, we have 4 slides here. Let's start from the first one. Okay, please smile in 3, 2, 1. Okay, next slide. Keep smiling in 3, 2, 1. Okay, next slide. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, the fourth slide. Oh, it's 6 right now. Okay, the fourth slide in 3, 2, 1. Okay, keep smiling. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the last slide. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And Bu Eka, I give it to you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ibu Ferbi. So to all participants, before we dive into today's lecture, allow me to introduce our esteemed guest speaker, Dr. Masran Tamin. And Dr. Masran Tamin is a senior lecturer in the marketing program, Faculty of Economics and Accountancy, Malaysia Sabah University. He teaches several subjects such as corporate communication, product management, branding, consumer behavior, marketing, and also marketing management. Dr. Masran bin Tamin complete his education in Diploma of Marketing from Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, and also bachelor degree, master degree, and also Doctor of Philosophy in Business Management, concentration in marketing from Malaysia Sabah University. His focus research are in marketing, consumer behavior, brand, digital marketing, consumer acceptance, green product, e-commerce, social media, and also innovation. Dr. Masran bin Tamin also got several achievements, such as gold and silver award from poster competition for International FEB Innovation Expo in 2023, silver award from Pertandingan Reka Cipta and Inovasi Pereka Malaysia Sabah University, and also bronze award from Malaysian Technology Expo PWTC Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia Association of Research. Good morning, Dr. Masran.
Yes, good morning, the moderator, Madam Eka.
Okay. Dr. Masran will give a topic about AI and its possible impact on business and consumer behavior. We are thrilled to have him to share his knowledge and insight with us today. Let's give a warm virtual welcome for Dr. Masran Tamin. Okay, Dr. Masran,
Okay.
without further delay, I will hand over the session to you. And the time will be given in 60 minutes. After that, we are going to have question and answer session. The time is yours, Dr. Masran.
Okay, thank you, the moderator. Is it clear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to Honorable
Waalaikumsalam
Dean,
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
to Honorable Deans of Faculty of Economics and Business, Dr.
Okay,
Muhammad
thank you so
Fans.
much, Dr. Maslam. It's our honor
Yes,
for.
thank you also for inviting me, Doctor.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so yeah, to the esteemed lecturers, distinguished postgraduate and also undergraduate students. So I'm really excited to be here with all of you today, and I want to start by thanking Universitas General Ahmad Yani and also especially the Faculty of Economics and Business for inviting me as a speaker today. So it's pleasure actually to share some insight with such a diverse group of learners and professionals in this Zoom meeting. So today, we are going to talk about artificial intelligence, its possible impact on business and consumer behavior. So AI might seem like something from science fiction movie, but the truth is it's already a big part of our everyday lives and also the world of business. So in these sessions, we will look at how AI is changing the way companies run, make decisions, and connect with their customers. Okay, so we will also talk about how it's affecting us as consumers and how we shop, make choices, and even how we interact with brands. So AI is creating a lot of exciting opportunities, but it also comes with some challenge. For example, how do we deal with jobs being automated? And what about the ethics behind AI decisions? So by the end of these discussions, I hope you all will have a better understanding of how AI already shaping the world of businesses and what this means for the futures. So whether you are students here, we're getting ready for your careers or lecturers to help you to shape the next generations, AI actually definitely play a big role in our lives today. So yeah, maybe to the next slides. Yeah. So, all right. So let's start with the basic. What is artificial intelligence, or also known as AI? So basically, AI is when we build machine that can think, learn, and do tasks that normally require human intelligence. So think of it like giving a computer a brain. So it can solve problems, make decisions, and even improve itself over time. So now AI has a few key areas that make it so powerful. So for example, here, machine learning, also known as ML. So this is where system learn from experience. So kind of like how we learn from practice. A simple example is Netflix. Okay, when you watch movies, for example, in Netflix, okay, so you will pay attention to your choice. So over time, so this AI will learn what you like and also suggest, match your test from your previous experience. And also AI have a natural language processing, which is NLP. So this is AI that helps machine understand and use human language. Have you ever talked to Siri, for example, on your iPhone? So actually, it's gave you exactly what you were looking for. So that's how NLP work as AI. So it will helping computer understand what we are saying, even though we all use language in different ways. And also, we have computer vision here. So this is when machine can see and also understand image or video. A good example is facial recognition on your phone. So you look at the screen and the AI recognize it's you and unlock your phone. So that one is computer vision for AI. And also we have robotic. Okay, so this is where AI power physical machine to do things on their own. So think about robots that works in factories, for example, assembling cars, or even robots that deliver food in some cities. So this machine use AI to make decision and also perform tasks without human help. So that's how AI work in our current or in our environment. Okay, so maybe to the next slides. Okay, so before we jump into what AI looks like today, so let's take a quick trip back to where it all started. So in 1956, okay, the term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy during Dartmouth Conference. Okay, from the 1950s to the 1960s, so the focus was mostly on problem solving and also logic-based AI, where computers were learning to solve puzzles or win at games, but they were not yet ready to do more complex stuff like we see today. And also fast forward to the 1970 through the 1990s. So AI was growing steadily. So where computer were getting faster and also AI was getting smarter, but we still hadn't seen the real breakthrough those came in the 2000s. But now let's talk about modern AI breakthroughs from 2000 until present, which is today. So in 2011, okay, IBM Watson made headline by winning Jeopardy, okay, beating human champions. So this was a big leap in NLP, which is natural language processing, showing that machine could understand and answer complex human questions. And also in 2012, okay, there is a huge advance in machine learning, ML, and also deep learning. So this time, AI started to learn from massive amounts of data, which really accelerated progress. And think about how service like Netflix recommend shows based on customer preference and also customer previous experience. So this is thanks to these developments. And also 2016, came to 2016, this Google AlphaGo defeat a world champion in Go, okay, which is the applications. So a game far more complex than chess. So this was also a huge breakthrough. We are proving that AI could handle very complicated decision making. And also present today, AI is all around us. It's powering industry like healthcare, finance, retail, and also even self-driving cars. So these breakthroughs show that's how far AI has come and how much it's transforming industry. So this AI has come long way since those early days in 1950s, and also exciting to see where's headed next. And then these possibilities are endless, and we just getting started. Yeah, so next slide. So now let's talk about, yeah, the different type of AI. Okay, so not all AI is the same. There are actually three main types of AI. So first about we have narrow AI, or also known as weak AI. So this is the most common type of AI today. So narrow AI is designed to do one specific task, and it does that task really well. But that's all it does actually. It doesn't think or learn beyond its limited job. For example, when you ask Siri or Google Assistant to check either your weather and also to send a message, for example. So that thing is how narrow AI works in our environments. Another example is Netflix, okay, and also Amazon. So that one is narrow AI. Okay, so this one almost of that AI we use today, and also for ChatGPT. So that one also narrow AI. Okay, and then we have general AI, or also known as strong AI. So general AI is where things get interesting, but more theoretical. So general AI will have the ability to do any intellectual task that human can do. So in other words, it will be as smart as a person. So that kind of AI could learn new things on its own, solve problem across different fields, and even think creatively. But the thing is, general AI doesn't exist yet. So it's still an idea that researchers are working on. So we have made a lot of progress, but yeah, we are not quite there actually. Okay, and then the third AI type of AI here, we have super AI. So this super AI is the next level. So AI that will be smarter than human in every way. So it would not only be able to solve problems, but actually it would also surpass areas like creativities, problem solving, and even social intelligence. So sounds a bit like something from science movie fiction, okay? But that's because this super AI actually a very future concept. And also there's some expert think that it might happen someday, but there are also ethical concern like what happened in AI becomes too powerful. How do we control it? So expert believe that this super AI is decades, maybe even centuries away. Okay, but most of what we interact with today is narrow AI actually, including chat GPTs. Okay, so general AI is something researchers they are still looking for, and also super AI is way down the road. So, next slide, we have, yeah, yeah, this one. So let's take a look some of AI technologies that are having huge impact on our world today. So these are the innovation that are changing the way we live, work, and also interact with technologies. So for example, here first we have machine learning. So this machine learning is all about letting computers learn from experience without needing someone to program every little step. So just imagine that teaching a computer to spot patterns in data. So over time, so it will get better and better at predicting outcome based on what AI learn. For example, in the finance world, so bank actually use machine learning for things like financial forecasting, which is predicting future trends, and also fraud detection. For example, spots suspicious activities on your credit card. So that one is machine learning. Okay. So based on data, okay, it's estimated that 80% of financial institutions actually using this machine learning for their operation. And then we have here deep learning, which is this one refer more advanced version from machine learning. So actually deep learning more complex models and also called as neural network. So this one will mimic how the human brain works, and also will allow AI to do things like recognize image and also understand the speech. For example, when you use Google Photo to search for a picture for dog, for example. Okay, so that one is deep learning. So this machine will identify and also categorize image based on your preference. And also, from data I have here, okay, which is deep learning actually have market value around USD 30 billion. So yeah, and also it's expected to keep growing as more industry adopt this technology for deep learning. And next about natural language processing, NLP. So this technology allow AI to understand and also interact with human language. So if you ever talk about your virtual assistant like Alexa or Siri's, this one use chatbot on a website, okay, to get customer service. So that one is also NLP, AI. Okay, and then number 4, we have robotics. So this robotic is where AI made a physical world. So these AI power robots can perform tasks on their own and also often more efficient than human. For example, in factories, a robot are used to assemble car and also pack the product. Okay, so this robot working faster than human. And also outside factory, for example, we have AI power drones. Okay, and so this AI power drone actually used to deliver package in some cities in this world. And then from the data, actually this robot market have grown until USD 70 billion by 2028. It's coming. Okay, and then also number 5 here we have autonomous system. So this AI system that can operate independently without any human help. So the most known example for this AI is self-driving cars. Okay, so this car actually use AI to navigate roads and also avoid obstacle and also follow the traffic rules. So that one is autonomous system. Okay, so next slide. Okay, this one, AI and also business operation. Okay, so yeah, when we talk about business, that's why we need to talk about how this AI will improve our business operation. So first, about efficiency and also productivity gains. So this AI can automate repetitive tasks, for example, freeing time for our employees, okay, and also they can do focus on more important things because we have AI to solve our problem and also do some tasks in our companies. For example, we use AI for supply chain management. So this one will helping our companies to track inventory and also manage logistic and also reduce delays for supply chain management, for example. And then we have data-driven decision making. So this one AI can analyze a huge amount of data and also find pattern that human might miss. For example, this AI help business makes a smart decision. Okay, for example, to forecast demand and also spotting market trends. Okay, for example, also in retailers, AI also used to predict what product will be demand in the next season, which improve companies planning and also stock market management. And then we have enhanced personalization. So where this part AI will help a business offer personal experience by analyze customers' behavior. So this means that more AI tailor recommendation and also about the dynamic price for our business. Okay. Can we go to the next slide? Okay. So also when we talk about the efficiency manage our business operation, also we need to talk about how this AI will shape or will impact to our consumer behavior. For example, I have 3 points here, which is first about changing consumer expectation, and then how about trust and privacy concern, and shift in consumer purchasing behavior. So in the next slide, we will dive deeper into each of these 3 points. Yeah, so can we go to the next slide? Yeah, okay. So first about changing consumer expectation, okay. So AI is actually raising the bar for consumer expectation. So nowadays people now expect everything to be fast, efficient, and also personalized. For example, when we shop online, so AI will analyze your browsing history to recommend product that you like to buy from your previous experience. Okay, or maybe you type in search engine, for example, so AI will suggest words before you finish typing, for example. So that one also how AI give high expectation for consumer. And also, we see this rise of on-demand service like Uber and also the DoorDash. Okay, so where this AI actually help match a driver with you and also get your food delivery faster. Okay, so that one how this AI change our consumer expectation because we use AI in our operation. So that's why consumer will expect more from the companies. Okay, so next. So next about trust and privacy concern. Yeah, can we go to the next slide? Yeah, trust and privacy concern. Okay, so as AI system collect more and also more our personal data, so consumer are becoming more aware and also concerned about how their data is used. So people want to know, is their data being shared or is their data being protected? So this is why there are some rules, okay, like GDPR in Europe and also CCPA in California. So these rules actually policy give consumer more control over their personal information. Okay, so actually trust is key when it comes AI-driven service. Okay, so if your company is transparent about how they use AI to make decision, so people are more likely to trust them and stay loyal with the companies. Okay, for example, like think how some website now clearly show how they use your data. Okay, so these data have been used by the companies to have personalized of your from your previous experience, but still we will asking them about, is it the data can be trusted, can be protected or not. So that's why trust and privacy concern also shape our consumer behavior today. Okay, so yeah, can we go to the next slide? Yeah, this one, shift in consumer purchasing behavior. So also AI changing how we buy things and also making our shopping experience easier. So first, AI-driven product recommendation, where this AI suggests items based on what we like, for example, where this can really influence our buying choices. For examples, okay, when you browse online and see suggestion for items you might want, so that one is actually AI, okay, in that particular website. Okay, and also a voice activate assistant like Alexa or Siri or Google Assistant. This one also make our shopping simple and more easy. Okay, so you can just ask them to order something, for example, and this AI will handle your order. Okay, for example, when you say, hey Google, order more coffee, for example. So this AI will work for you and order automatically your order and also purchase automatically for your shopping more faster. Okay, so yeah, can we go to the next slide? This one, AI roles in customer engagement. Of course, AI is playing big part in how companies engage with their customers today. Okay, because it's already shaped or impact our consumer behavior. So AI also play a big important role in our customers' engagement. So for example, here first we have AI powered chatbot and also virtual assistants. So maybe I want to ask about, have you ever had a chat with a bot on a website? Okay, so actually this AI chatbot available 24/7. So this AI will answer a routine question and also give you recommendation and also will help customer anytime they need assistance. So this actually AI, even though you're asking question at 2 a.m. for example, okay, so this AI will provide assistance for our customers. Okay, so next about AI in customer service, where this AI actually handling common customer queries, and also, for example, business can respond much faster and also more efficient when we have AI for our customer service. And also this AI will help companies answer customer question about maybe about their order, and also this AI will give and response faster and also improve our overall experience when customer doing business with us. And then about sentiment analysis and feedback. So these AI tools can also analyze how customers feel about brand by looking at comments on social media, review, and also surveys response. So this also will help companies to understand what actually they are doing in the market, either good or not. So that's how this AI plays sentiment analysis and give feedback for us. So that one also will help us to more get engaged with our customers. Okay, so next. So this one, AI in marketing and also and sales. Okay, we have three here. For example, AI in predictive marketing, AI in dynamic pricing, and also AI in content creation and curation. So for this, AI also play important roles to give more about how we can predictive our marketing plan. Okay, for example, this AI will predict our customers' need based on past behavior and also trend. And also how this AI will help our marketing and sales, for example, about dynamic pricing. So for example, the way this AI doing their work to understand our competitor strategy, especially about price. So yeah, they will help us to understand about the market price. And then about the AI in content creation and curation. So this one is where we can use this AI to help us doing our job, for example, to make content. For example, like this slide actually do apa? This slide actually generate by AI. So actually I'm using AI and then provide this slide. So I just put my point and then AI design this slide for me. So this one, how this AI work for us actually. Yeah, so next one, optimizing AI for better ROI. So we can actually optimize this AI to get better returns on investment, or also known as ROI. So in marketing, we have four ROI that we can utilize for AI. So first up is automating routine tasks. So this AI can take care of those repetitive marketing calls. So yeah, like sending out email and also scheduling our social media posts. So that one is automating routine tasks. And then next we have improving decision making. So where this AI is really good at analyzing customer data and also spotting trends. So yeah. And also next we have enhancing customer insight. So where these AI tools can track customer behavior across different platforms. And then giving our company's complete picture for our customer journey. For example, it can show how customer interact with your brand on social media, your website, and also through your email. So this holistic view will help company to understand what works and what doesn't. So you can tailor actually your marketing effort accordingly. For example, when we have AI in our operation. And then lastly, we have performance tracking. So this one where AI algorithm continuously analyze your campaign and also looking for ways to optimize and also improve our marketing activities. So this means that you can adjust your strategy in real time to get the best result that possible. If something is not working, so AI can help you to figure this problem quickly, so you can pivot and also focus your resources where they all have a biggest impact in our business operations. Okay, so can we go to the next slide? So this is, I have several examples here in my slides, such as Netflix and Coca-Cola in the next slide. So these two company is successful company utilize AI in their business. First, we have here is Netflix. I guess all here familiar what is Netflix. So actually, Netflix is a subscription based streaming service that provide members with access to wide variety of TV shows, movie, documentaries, and more. For example, this Netflix using collaborative filtering AI, machine learning, deep learning, and also algorithm to analyze viewing habit and also preference of their consumer. So, and also they can understand the user behavior in real time. Okay, so yeah, this Netflix actually utilize AI very successful. That's why if you can see that Netflix is all over the world. And then next slide, we have Coca-Cola here. So actually Coca-Cola also, can we go next slide? Yeah, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola also use AI to personalize their advertisement, where they use data analytics, machine learning, and also NLP. So this AI help Coca-Cola to craft their personalized advertising. Okay, so using social media platform. Okay, so next slide. Yeah, this one, challenge and also consideration. Okay, so now let's discuss some of the challenge and also consideration when it comes to using AI in marketing. So while AI offer fantastic opportunity, but still it's important to be aware of a few hurdles here. First up, for example, we have data privacy concerns, where AI relies on collecting and also analyze large amount of consumer data to function more effective. However, this raise important question about privacy, okay, where customer want to know either their information is safe and also used responsibly by the companies. So that's why marketers need to navigate these privacy issues carefully and also make sure that it's comply with regulation. For example, I already highlight about the GDPR in Europe and also CCPA in America. Okay, so next about this one, dependence on data quality. So remember that AI can only be as good as the data is when they have data to process. So if the data is inaccurate or outdated, so they might be have wrong prediction and also will be flat. So this can lead to poor decision making and also will be waste resources for our companies. So it's very crucial for marketers to make sure that they have clean, high quality data to fit into the AI system. Okay, so we need to invest time and also effort into data management when we provide data to our AI system. Okay, so now let's talk about integration with existing system where many business already have established platform and also workflow in place in their marketplace areas, for example. Okay, so integrating this new AI technology in this system can be more challenging. So that's why sometimes marketer may face technical issue to find their current tools and also maybe sometimes doesn't work with their new AI solutions. So this can create frustration to the companies where they will have slow down process in their operation. And then lastly, we have here cost and complexity, where implementing this AI solution can be quite expensive, and also this beyond the initial investment, where companies may need to hire specialized talent or invest in training for their teams, for example. So that's why this AI actually quite cost and also complex, especially to small business. Okay. But what it means here actually, while AI can powerful tool for our marketing or a business operation, but it's important to keep this challenge in our mind. Okay, and also by addressing this data privacy concern, for example, you ensuring our data quality and also planning this integration. Okay, so this one will make sure we can utilize and successfully using this AI and in our business operations. Yeah, can we go to the next slide? I think my slide almost finished. And then, yeah, we have several ethical consideration when we use AI here. As we embrace AI, it's important for us to know what is the ethical issue that come with this AI. For example, AI bias and also fairness. So AI can sometimes reinforce bias, and also sometimes we need to train and also we need to make sure we're not biased when we key in the data. For example, we need to, for example, in bank industry, okay, hiring or loan approval, for example, if the training data is not fair, so this AI can make unfair decision also. So companies need to work hard to reduce this bias to ensure everyone gets fair chances, especially in bank industry. And also, of course, about data privacy and security. So AI system often need a lot of consumer data to function properly. So this also raises question about how safely the data is stored and also used by the companies. So people want to know their information is protected. That's why we need to put our consideration or our ethical consideration about this data privacy and security. Okay, so next about job displacement, okay, and also versus job creation. So while this AI can take over certain job, but it also creates actually new opportunity, especially in technology related fields. So this means there's a growing need for reskilling and also upskilling to the workforces, so people can stay relevant in this AI-driven economy, even though AI can replace our place as human in some part in our industry, but still there are opportunity for us. That's why we need to reskilling and also upskilling. Okay, yeah, so can we go to the next slide? Yeah, future trends in AI for digital marketing. So I have 4 future trends here. For example, first, AI generate content and also hyper personalization, voice and visual search optimization, and also AI and augmented reality AR. So this one is the future trends using AI in digital marketing. So yeah, it's becoming growth actually in our industry. Okay, so next part. Next slide, please. Yeah, as a conclusion, so AI is rapidly changing how business operate and also how consumer behave. So it's driving efficiency, personalization, and also innovation, making our life easier and more connected. However, with this benefit come important ethical consideration. We cannot ignore it. So how business handle issue like bias, privacy, and job displacements will shape AI future impact. Okay, so the key to success lies in how well companies can use AI while also addressing these ethical challenge in their businesses. That's why by focusing on transparency and trust, it's very critical. And then this one to make sure that AI is developed responsibly by human. Okay, for example, if a company is open about how they use this AI and safeguard customer data, so it will build trust for our customers. So this also can lead a stronger loyalty for companies if we are quite transparent using this AI to our customers. So by keeping these points in mind, we can make the most of AI potential while creating a better future for business actually. Okay. Yeah, I think thank you all for being here today. Okay, so I hope you found this slide presentation on AI is impact on business operation and also for our consumer behavior insightful. Yeah, I appreciate your attention and participation. So if you have any question or thoughts, I'd love to hear your feedback or your question also. Okay, so once again, thank you. So I pass back to the moderator. Okay.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you to Dr.
Also, if you
Yeah.
want to ask question in Indonesian, I think I can reply also. Don't worry. I
Okay.
can I can understand Indonesian because yeah, sometimes we watch sinetron in Malaysia also. Yeah, so we understand.
Little ya, Mister.
Yeah, so don't worry. I can reply question in Indonesian also.
Okay, thank you to Dr. Masran Tamin for the insightful presentation. Now we are going to move to the discussion and also question and answer session. To all participants, if you have any question, please feel free to type them in the chat box, or you could use the raise hand feature to ask your question directly. Don't worry, Dr. Masran say that kita bisa pakai bahasa Indonesia ya. Jadi jangan malu-malu kalau mau nanya. Ya, silakan.
Hoyongku Sunda itu Hoyongku Sunda.
Oke, silahkan boleh diketik di chat box atau bisa juga raise hand. So, Dr. Masran, actually we have one questions here. I'm going to read it for all participants. AI technology is very massive and developing rapidly. How do business people and lecturers choose to face this extraordinary progress in the world of education and business? Questions. What are the choices for business people and lecturers to face this extraordinary progress? Because if we do not follow AI, we are behind and cry over what happens. Using AI can also violate business ethics and academics ethics because sometimes it directly takes business ideas and scientific works of other parties, but it's not visible. Because I have not found AI ethics for business people and academics in the form of official regulations. Yeah, these questions come from Dr. Abdurrahim, one of our senior lecturer.
Okay, so thank you for that question. So I repeat again the question because is it about ethics, how we can use this AI in our education, especially about lecturers and also students?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. It's actually very good questions. Okay, so ethics in education about ensuring both lecturers and students behave in a way that's fair, respectful, and also responsible. So it's about creating a learning environment where everyone feels valued and also respected. For example, first, for lecturers, okay, so ethical behavior means that we need to being fair. Okay, for example, we need to treat all students equally without favoritism, discrimination. Okay, for example, using this AI. Like sometimes they use ChatGPT, for example, to get resources, but we need to check the answers, the script answers. But sometimes, if they generate the answers from AI or ChatGPTs, we need to put our consideration. But actually, sometimes, for example, in UMS, okay, we have rules for students, okay. For example, they cannot plagiate their tasks or their assignments 30% from any resources, or for example, using ChatGPT. Okay, but still they can use the AI to get more knowledge and also more resources to improve their writing skills and also the information that they can provide in their assignments. So we need to be fair for our students. Okay, and also about encouraging academic integrity. Okay, so we need to promote harness academic work for our students. Okay, about cheating or plagiarism is not acceptable still, even though we use this AI for our education purpose. Okay, and then for students, actually, they need to being honest. Okay, for example, sometimes when we conduct midterm or quizzes through online, they will copy that question to ChatGPT and get that answer. So actually, for students, they need to be honest, for example, okay, for if they want to use this AI. Okay, and also still, if they use AI, they need to respect others. Okay, for example, even though they can get that information from the lecturers, but still from the AI actually, but still they need to respect their lecturers. So talking about these ethical issues, sometimes when we go for business, of course, okay, I already discussed some ethical issues, but still in education, we still need to actually raise these issues, okay, especially about the plagiarism, okay, the way students utilize this AI actually. Okay, yeah, I think that is my answers.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Masran, for the insightful answer. So actually, when using ChatGPT, the information should be reviewed first, right? And also some ethical issue in education that we have to know. So being honest is better than with ChatGPT then. Okay, next questions is come from one of our students named Elsha Putri Ayu Lestari. So, Dr. Masran, could you please explain how machine learning algorithms are used to analyze consumer behavior, and why is enhancing customer insight important for a more holistic customer journey?
Uh, how this machine learning to use to analyze consumer
Yes.
behavior?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we have several type and also characteristic for AI. For example, we have machine learning, NLP, and also robotics. But the question asking specifically how this machine learning help understand consumer behavior by analyze our consumer data. And so first about when we talk about this machine learning. Okay, so this machine learning will collect data for our customers, like what customer are browsing, buying, or how they interact with our website and also application, for example. Okay, so this data can come from our social media, our purchase history, and also our website click, even our customer review. So that's how this machine learning collect data for our customers' information. And then Next, this machine learning will find patterns. For example, once this machine learning collect data, so this machine learning will look for patterns. Okay, for example, it might notice that people who buy a certain product also then buy another one soon after, for example. Okay, so this will help business understand what product and people like how they shop, for example, using this machine learning. And then this machine learning also will help a business to predict behavior. Okay, for example, what customer like to do next. Okay, and also if customer has been browsing certain item, for example, this ML can suggest similar product and also show a special offer for our customer. Okay, for example, okay, when we go for Amazon, okay, so this website will suggest product based on what you have a view or purchase in your previous experience. So this actually how machine learning work for AI. And also personalized recommendation. Okay, for example, when we have Netflix in our television or our device, so this Netflix actually using AI, for example, machine learning to personalize recommendation of our customers based on their preference and also previous experience using Netflix. And of course, yeah, this ML will improve marketing, where this ML actually help a business to target marketing effort and more effectively by analyze customer behavior, for example, and also these companies can create a more tailored advertisement and also promotion, like what Coca-Cola did for their marketing activities, especially personalization, this AI for their advertisement. So that one is how machine learning improve our marketing activity. Okay, so of course, this machine learning will help business better understanding, okay, to predict what our customers want, improving the overall shopping experience and making this marketing more effective. Also, okay, this is just my sharing, okay, because I just secure a grant actually to do more research about this AI, where this AI actually impact on shopping behavior, especially customers in Malaysia. So yeah, actually I'm doing research about this part actually for this AI. So because AI already shaped and also give impact to shopping experience for our customers. So we need to do more research how this AI actually improve our marketing activities and also change our customer behavior. Yeah.
Okay, so machine learning will collect data from consumer, from social media, and also website clicks, right? And also customer reviews. So it will help businesses to predict consumer behavior and also what consumers are looking for. And also another function from AI, it can be also personalized recommendation based on previous consumption experience from the consumer. So we can say that AI will change consumer behavior of shopping. Okay, so maybe next questions. We have a questions from one of our junior lecturer, Mr. Mima Halimatus Sardia. So, Miss Mima, would you want to open your mic or I just read your questions?
Please read by Miss Eka.
Okay. So there's a questions. Business in Indonesia mostly dominated by micro, small, medium enterprises. It's almost more than 90% of all the business unit. And I trust that AI can help improving the business performance, not just for a big company, but also for a small, medium enterprise business. And Dr. Masran, so could you mind to tell us what is the challenge of AI for small, medium enterprise business, and what kind of AI that possible use for small, medium enterprise business? Thank you.
Okay, actually that's a very good question because we're talking about business, how this business can give benefit, especially for small business. But the good news is this AI is not just for big companies. Okay, so the small business can start using AI without needing a huge budget or team or expert actually. Okay, for example, they can start small first. Okay, for example, using chatbot on their website or handle a customer question or email marketing tools. So that's how a small business can use this simple AI. Okay, and also maybe they can use tools like QuickBooks. So this one will automate repetitive tasks for business. Okay, where these tools like QuickBooks use AI to manage finance and also sends automatic reminders for payments. Okay, so this frees up time for small business owners to focus on growing their businesses. And also we can use AI chatbot, okay, to improve our customer experience. Okay, so this AI chatbot actually a virtual assistant to provide 24/7 customer support, even when they are not even we are not available for our customer, but still we have this AI chatbot to respond our customers. Okay, for example, social media tools like Who's That. Okay, so these tools actually can analyze the best time to post and also to engage with our followers, our customers in our social media. And then maybe you have experience using Grammarly. So this actually Grammarly one of AI tools that we can use to improve our writing. Okay, and also Trello for managing project with AI suggestion, and also tools like MailChimp. So this one for automate personal email campaign. Okay, so that's how we can utilize uh, our AI for our small business. But still, for small business, we have a challenge to utilize this AI for small business. For example, about technical knowledge. Okay, so because sometimes AI can be complicated to understand and also to use. Of course, for small business, they might not have access to technology expert. So maybe the team need to have more training to handle and also implement this AI. And also about integration with our current system, our existing system, when we want to use this AI for our operation. Okay, so this small business might already have a system to manage their operation, like their accounting, their customer management. So by integrating this AI into our existing system, sometimes quite can be tricky and actually time consuming. Okay, because we need to integrate our existing system with AI for our business. Okay, and of course the big challenge for small business is they are fear to make change for their business. Okay, so this is a very natural fear when we try something new, especially for small business. Okay, they has been running in a traditional way of conventional way for years. So maybe to adopt this AI feel risky. So that's why some business owner may worry about their profit, for example. So maybe they will not using this AI. So that one, I think the biggest challenge for small business. Yeah.
Okay, so AI can start using in small business, such as we can use in website and also email marketing, and also we can use AI for automatic payment. Also, one of the easiest way we can use chatbot, which can help small business to 24/7 respond customer. And also, we can use AI to predict golden time to post and engage with customer. But however, there are some challenges, right? In AI, there will be a technical knowledge from the business owner, and also maybe the business owner do not have access to tech experts. So one of the important thing that maybe some of a business owner afraid to change the behavior of market their products then. Okay. Mrs. Mima. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any questions?
Okay, it's all right. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Another questions coming from Mr. Lukni Burhanuddin. So, to what extent that we have to going adapt and learn about AI, especially we as a researcher in management, should we learn about the technical aspect in order to catch up the development AI since the evolution has been so rapid and we have no basic technical knowledge?
Moderator, can you repeat again the questions? Sorry.
Okay, so the questions is for we as a researcher, should we learn about the technical aspect in order to catch up the development AI since the evolution has been so rapid and we have no basic technical knowledge?
Okay. I will answer yes. Okay, because as a researcher, for example, having a basic understanding to the technical side of AI can give a big advantage. Okay, while you don't need to become an AI engineer actually, but understand how this AI model work will help us as a researcher to process data and also how we can interpret the result of our data, and that will help us as a researcher to to answer our question research for our research. Okay, for example, how we can improve our technical skills, especially for research. Okay, for better research design. Okay, if you know how AI works, actually, you can design your research more effectively. Okay, so you will know what kind of data you need. And also sometimes AI will give you insightful needs, okay, insightful data, okay, that you need for your research. And also maybe we can collaborate with AI experts, okay, for our technical part of conducting research. Okay, so if you are researcher for this, for your current job as a lecturer, for example, okay, you're also a researcher. Okay, so we need to learn how this AI works, okay, but still we need to raise the issue of ethical consideration when we use AI, because sometimes the problem is when we only rely on AI, we not understand the real situation of our current market, for example, because this AI is actually will generalize the information that we need for our business or our for research. Okay, so that's why as a researcher, having some technical knowledge for AI is definitely helpful. Okay, so it's also make your work stronger and of course to be more effective for your research. Okay, yeah, I think that's all my answer.
Okay, Mr. Lukni, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay, so maybe still we as a researcher can improve our technical skill, but we have to remember that also ethical consideration from AI then. Okay, yang bertanya ternyata banyak sekali, Dr. Masran.
No
A moment,
problem.
I'm going to
Okay.
filter it first. So there's a questions, maybe this one from our postgraduate student, Patih Ginanjar. So the questions is AI is being used extensively. Does this indicate that human thought and work are increasingly being replaced? Then how can we as human compete in the midst of the widespread use of AI?
How we can compete, what?
How we can compete in the midst of the widespread use of AI?
Oh, okay. Yeah, because sometimes we need to compete with a machine or robot, isn't it? But still, as a human, we can compete even this quite challenging for us as a human. Okay, but still, there are unique strength that human have, which can help thrive this alongside of AI. For example, about emotional intelligence. Okay, understanding emotion and building relationship and connecting with others is very personal and actually human strength. But in job that require empathy, for example, and also interpersonal skills like counseling or teaching, a human will always have an this age, for example. Okay, so that's why still this AI cannot replace human. Okay, and how we can compete also, we need to more critical, especially when we go about critical thinking and also judgment. Okay, of course human have a great at making decision based on context, value, and also ethics, while this AI only can analyze data, but this AI lack of the ability to understand complex human value. So that's why we still can compete with this machine actually. And also collaboration and teamwork. Of course, AI cannot do this collaboration and teamwork, because sometimes we need to solve problem and also we need teamwork to solve problem, especially when we have special tasks for our job or for our assignment actually. Okay, so this one also the way how we can compete with this AI. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to make a conclusion. Maybe AI cannot replace by human. So actually human can compete with the EA because of human has their uniqueness, such as emotional intelligence, empathy, interpersonal skill, communication skill, critical thinking, and also judgment. So still, don't worry, everyone. AI cannot replace humans. So we're
Yes,
stronger than AI then. Okay.
definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Next questions. From Ian Parese, how to utilize AI to support sales optimally? The question is how to utilize AI to support sales optimally.
So this question actually talking about how we can utilize this AI to support our business, especially to make sales, isn't it?
Mr. Ian Parese, is it true? Hello? Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Okay, so actually this AI can support sales actually, okay, because it can really boost our efficiency to help our business connect with our customers better. Okay, for example, we need to personalize recommendation to our customers. Okay, sometimes when they go for purchasing our product, okay, so they will think either this product suits them or not. Okay, so based on their personal, previous experience, so using this AI, it will help our customers and also give recommendation for our customer. Of course, if we have these technologies for our customers, it can increase our sales. And also utilize this chatbot and also virtual assistants. So of course, this virtual assistants will enhance our engagement with our customer. And then when we have good relationship with our customer, it will reflect to our business, of course, for our sales. And then to increase these sales using or utilize this AI, actually, AI will help us to doing forecasting for our business. Okay, where this AI can give accurate prediction about our future sales trends. And also this will help us to plan our inventory, our marketing strategy, and also our employees' needs. Okay, for example, if data shows that sales typically rise during holiday season, so we need to prepare by increase our stock Okay, so that's how AI will forecast our sales. And also, we can conduct or we can utilize this AI to have our automated email campaign. Okay, where this AI can help business to send personalized email campaign to our customers, previous customers, or our data of our customers. For example, if customer hasn't met purchase for that season or that particular time, so we can give or we can promote our product using this automated email campaign. Okay, so yeah, that's how we try to integrate or strategize our business to increase our sales. But still, we need to have knowledge, then we can utilize this AI for our business. Yeah, it's very important for us to have exposure and also how we can use this simple AI, for example, in our life and of course in our business.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Masran. So actually AI, we can use AI for forecast our business and also to do market research, our advertisement, and also campaign that can help increasing our profit. And also we can use AI to give a recommendation also, and we can use AI such as chatbot to enhance engagement with our customer. Okay. Next questions. Oh, this one is from Ibu Tania. So could you please open your mic, Ibu Tania, then?
Hi, Madam Tanya.
Hi, Dr. Masran. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Madam.
Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity. My question would be related to marketing role. Do you think AI will disrupt the marketer role? And what do you have in mind the key criteria that we need to enhance more in order to, live side by side with this AI? Because I don't think we can hinder this AI utilization. We need to use it, we need to master it. But the key criteria nowadays that will change, which do you think are the most important or crucial for the marketer?
Okay. Thank you, Madam Tanya, for that questions. For me, yes, this AI definitely changing the marketing landscape. So, but rather than completely interrupting, but actually it's more like transforming our marketing side. Okay, especially how we can understand our market easily using this AI. Okay, so this AI will impact our marketing by efficiency and also automations, and of course personalization and also predictive analytics. And of course, content creation. But talking about how we can live with this AI in this world, okay, first, we need to embrace change. Okay, instead of we fear about AI, so actually we can view this AI as a helpful partner. So we need to embrace AI tools to enhance our marketing effort and also allow us to work smarter. So and also maybe this AI will help us focus on human skills. Okay, like sometimes we need to get more information to improve our skills. Okay, so we need to live with this AI. Okay, and still my consideration, we need to raise these issues of, for example, the ethical consideration when we live with this AI. Okay, so for example, as we use this AI in marketing, it's very important to consider ethics. Okay, even though we live this AI, okay, especially regarding to data privacy. Okay, so it's very important to more transparent with our customers, how we can protect and also how we use their data. So we need to practice this ethical to convince our customer using AI with us in this real life. Okay, so yeah, I think that's my answer.
Thank you, Dr. Masran.
Is there any questions? Ibu Tania? No. Okay. Next question, Dr. Masran.
Yeah.
This is come from one of our lecture from operational management actually, Ibu Eka Ludia. So, how can B2B manufacturing adapt to development of AI, which is widely discussed regarding AI in B2C, whose consumers use a lot of internet resources and digitalization?
How
So,
B2B
actually, the question,
utilize?
how can B2B manufacturing adapt to development of AI?
Okay. B2B and B2C, yeah, that's different between B2B and B2C, where this B2B actually we will react, or we will have good relationship with our supply chain, for example. So that one is B2B. So how we can how companies can use B2B, okay, for AI, for example. This AI actually can help our customer relationship management, which is CRM, where this AI can enhance our CRM system, because B2B also we need to increase, or we need to put what consideration to our relationship management to our supplier, for example, to our stakeholders. So we need to put that first in our mind, where we can use, or how we can utilize this AI for B2B. And also how this AI can utilize for B2B is about supply chain optimization. Okay, where this AI can enhance supply chain management by predicting demand, okay, optimizing inventory sales, improving logistic. Okay, for example, this AI actually can forecast which product will be demand based on historical sales data. So it's allow companies to manage stocks level effectively. And also, we can utilize this AI for B2B is to sales forecasting, which is based on our historical sales. We can understand easily about market trends. Okay, so it will provide accurate sales forecast. For example, when we want to choose supplier from our historical or our previous experience conducting sales for our customers. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all my answer for B2B.
Okay, Ibu Eka Ludia, is it acceptable or do you have any questions?
Yeah, enough. Thank you, Miss Eka.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you, Dr. Masran.
Yeah, thank you too, Doctor.
okay, so actually, we can use utilization in B2B for customer relationship management, such as the supplier and also other stakeholder. And from SCM optimization, we can use AI to optimizing logistic, inventory, manage stock based on the history of the company. And moving on to the next questions. Be patient, Dr. Masran. We still have 2 hours.
No problem. Okay.
Next question is come from one of student, Awan. Awan, do you want to answer, give a question by yourself or read by me, Awan?
Ibu Eka aja.
Okay, Dr. Masran, for the questions is how will the future of work change as AI technology advances? What new skill will be needed?
What skills?
How will the future of work changes as AI technology advances? What new skill will be needed?
Is it to using AI or?
Awan, you can use bahasa then. I also Do not understand. What is it?
Is it specific skills to utilize this AI, or what is actually skills that we need for our future job?
I
Because
think
sometimes
that one, the second one, Dr. Masran.
second one,
Yeah.
what is skills that we need for our
Yeah.
future job? Because nowadays we use
Yeah.
or we utilize AI so much in our
Yeah.
industry. So what
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
skills that we need to improve? Is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So talking about specific skills that we can enhance, especially for our students, because they will go to find a job in our industry, but that industry already adopt AI to their operation or to their business. So what kind of skills for students need to improve or need to prepare? So for me, first about digital literacy, where students need to understand and also to know that how they can use these digital tools and also platform, because all these tools is essential in AI generation. Okay, so this include being comfortable with software, application, and also using online for their communication, for example. Okay, and also another skills that we need to have for our future generation, especially to find a job, is about how they can use data and analyze that data, because sometimes the ability to analyze and interpret data is becoming increasing and also important. And also sometimes job will require skills to understand data trends, even though we can get this data from AI, okay, but still we need to generate based on our experience in our real market. And then more creative and innovation, okay, because sometimes automation or AI will take over routine tasks. So that's why we need to have creative and also these creative skills very significant to differentiate our product or our companies with our competitors. Okay, and also about emotional intelligence, okay, because this emotional intelligence don't have because sometimes when we have AI, they not provide with emotion. So that's why as a human, we need to understand and also we need to manage our emotion, because sometimes when we go handle our customers' problem, okay, so we need to put someone that very stable and also can handle any problem in any situation, especially when they're facing with our customers. So we need to improve our skills to manage our emotions. And also, of course, about our technical skills, okay, because nowadays technical skills are very important by industry. Okay, so having these technical skills will uh, shape us for our fundamental to understand emerging technologies. For example, this AI, which is using machine learning and also sometimes coding. So these technical skills will benefit those who search for a future job. Okay, so that's why you need to be continuous learning in this area, especially about technical skills. Okay, so yeah, I think that's my answer.
Oke, jadi gimana untuk menghadapi masa yang akan datang, skill apa aja yang harus dimiliki berdasarkan yang Dokter Masran sampaikan tadi harus mengerti dulu ya literasi digitalnya, gimana
Literasi,
ya
yeah.
literasi digital gimana pakai platformnya. Kemudian kita juga harus bisa memiliki skill gimana cara untuk menganalisis data yang ada, terus juga kita harus kreatif, jadi inovatif, karena itu akan jadi nilai uniqueness kita gitu. Kemudian kita juga harus punya emotional intelligence yang bagus, dan yang terpenting adalah kita harus terus belajar, enhance our technical skill, karena itu adalah penting untuk industri. Jadi say no more to gaptek-gaptek ya, buat gaptek is gagap teknologi. Ya,
Oh,
gagap teknologi.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
My permission to ask.
Yes, please. This one, Pak Ari Prabowo. Yes,
Yes,
Pak Ari.
thank you. Good morning, Mrs. Eka. Good morning, Mr. Masran.
Ya, good
Assalamualaikum.
morning Pak Ari.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the opportunity given to me, and thank you very much also to Mr. Masran for being able to provide extraordinary knowledge about AI in its role in business. But of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Major Saptari Prabowo. My question is just a short one. What is the impact of the use of AI on business decision making for companies in terms of the global market, which is full of competition, where the use of AI can also have an impact on human resource management within the company, because it can automatically reduce employees in the traditional marketing field. Thank you in advance your enlightenment and your answer.
Okay,
Yes, enough.
that's all. That's all, Pak
Yes,
Ari.
yes,
Okay. So, when we talk about global market, so of course, this AI will have impact, especially when we go for decision making for our companies. Okay, so of course, we need to have a data-driven insight, because sometimes when we go for global market, we need to understand certain areas, especially
yeah,
the countries that we want to enter to penetrate the market. So we need to have this data driven, and then we can use this AI to get this data for a specific market that we want to enter. And then also how this AI will impact the decision making for our
yeah,
market, actually about risk management. Okay, because sometimes we need to get know or understand about the risk management for certain areas, especially when we want to enter about certain market. In Europe, for example, we need to understand about their policies, their challenge, and also the specific part that we need to follow. Okay, so sometimes when we go for AI, for example, in Europe, we need to uh, comply with their policy, which is CDPA. Okay, and also for this part, yeah, of course, it will influence our decision making to enter global market. But when we talk about impact on human resource,
human users.
uh, we need to give more training and also development, because this sometimes we need to personalize training for our employees, because sometimes they need to handle technical skills or technical part in AI. So to improve our employees, okay, we need to have a special training for them. And also we need to have workforce planning, because sometimes when we go for human resource management, okay, we need to hire the right person to handle our companies or our industry that we enter. Okay, for example, when we need this AI for our companies, we need those who have experience using or maybe work with software, or they need to develop specific software to handle this part, for example. So of course, for human resource, we need to have our workforce planning for our companies. But the challenge is this, when we talk about human resource, of course, maybe about job replacement. Okay, because the threats for us is when we utilize this AI for our business, for our companies. Of course, we will fear, or we will think about, is it AI will replace humans? Okay, so I will say no, because sometimes actually this AI will create new opportunity for us, actually. Okay, because specifically in technology related fields, for example. Okay, so that means we need to reskilling and also upskilling our workforce. So human will stay relevant in these AI-driven economies. For example, reskilling, we can give special training for them for the specific skills we needed, and upskilling is we up to that their skills to handle AI for our business. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think now.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you also.
Thank you, Mr. Masran and Mrs. Eka.
Okay, Pak Ari, thank you so much. I think it was the last question for our session, Dr. Masran. So before I close our general lecture, I'm going to give a highlight from our session today. So AI and business operation can help to make business efficient and also gain productivity, data-driven decision making, and also enhance personalization. And also there are AI and also consumer behavior. It can change customer expectation, trust and privacy concern, and also shift consumer purchase behavior. And also AI assists business to engage with the customer, and also AI will optimize sales, marketing, and also better of return of investment. However, there are still challenges and consideration from AI, such as data privacy concern, dependence, data quality, integration with existing system, and also cost and complexity. So for the future trend in AI digital marketing, there will be AI generated content, also hyper personalization, voice and visual search optimization, and also the last one, AI and AR to over immersive shopping experience for the consumer. Thank you for Dr. Masran for the insightful presentation, and also thank you to everyone for your engaging questions. As we come to the end of today's session, on behalf of General Ahmadiyani University, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Masran Tamin for sharing his valuable insight and expertise with us today. So please give applause for Dr. Masran. And also thank you to everyone. Thank you to all participants. We hope today's session was informative and inspiring. Stay safe and healthy. Have a great day ahead. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Ibu Eka,
Terima kasih.
Mr. Masran, and everyone.
Thank you.
My permission to leave. Thank you.
Kulihat mendung menghalangi pancaran wajahmu. Tak terbiasa ku dapati terdiam mendura.
Apa gerangan bergemuruh di ruang benakmu? Sekilas kalau mata angin berbagi ceria.
Ku datang di jiwa.
Saat batin merintih, usah kau lara sendiri. Masih ada asa tersisa. Letakkanlah tanganmu di atas bahuku, biar terbagi beban itu dan tegak dirimu. Oh, di depan sana cahaya kecil untuk memandu. Tak hilang arah kita berjalan menghadapinya. Tak hilang arah
Kita berjalan menghadapinya.
usah kau simpan lara sendiri.
Jangan menyerah, jangan menyerah, jangan menyerah. Jangan menyerah, jangan menyerah, jangan menyerah, jangan menyerah. Syukuri apa yang ada. Hidup adalah anugerah. Tetap jalani hidup ini, melakukan yang terbaik, melakukan yang terbaik. Mimpi adalah kunci untuk kita menaklukkan dunia. Berlarilah tanpa lelah sampai engkau meraihnya. Laskar pelangi takkan terikat waktu. Bebaskan mimpimu di angkasa, warnai bintang di jiwa. Menarilah dan terus tertawa, walau dunia tak seindah surga. Bersyukurlah pada yang kuasa cinta kita di dunia. Menarilah dan terus tertawa, walau dunia tak
Seindah surga, bersyukurlah pada yang kuasa cinta kita di dunia.
selamanya, selamanya. Kau bisa patahkan kakiku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Kau bisa lumpuhkan tanganku, tapi tidak mimpi-mimpiku. Kau bisa merebut senyumku, tapi sembuh tak akan lama. Kau bisa merobek hatiku, tapi aku tahu obatnya. Manusia-manusia kuat, itu kita. Jiwa-jiwa yang kuat, itu kita. Manusia-manusia kuat, itu kita. Jiwa-jiwa yang kuat, itu kita. Manusia-manusia kuat, itu kita. Jiwa-jiwa kuat, itu kita. Manusia-manusia kuat,